In front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021. In this video we'll check if this phone supports SD card slot. In order to check it, let's take the cover of the phone. And now let's enter this SIM card tray. As you can see, this phone supports additional SD card. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.